What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're at the area Las Vegas right now, and we're heading out onto the Las Vegas Strip. We are going to go and check out the newest hotel in Las Vegas. That's the Fontainebleau Resort and Casino here in Vegas. It's closer to the northern end of the Strip near the Stratosphere, across from Circus Circus. We're gonna check that out, check out the main areas and see what the exterior of the hotel looks like. It's the newest hotel on the Strip. Believe it or not, this hotel started all the way back in 2002, I believe. They started construction, and then construction stalled for quite a few years, over a decade, and then somehow they managed to restart construction on the property, and the property was opened earlier this year in 2024. Let's go and check it out, see what the Fontainebleau is all about. I have read a lot about it and saw a lot online, and people are saying it lacks soul and so on, but it's still a good looking property, so let's see for ourselves. We'll check it out and go from there. Leave a like on the video to show your support, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this on the Fontainebleau and other hotels across Vegas and North America. Let's go check out the Fontainebleau Hotel in Las Vegas. We have arrived here at the Fontainebleau Hotel and Casino, the newest hotel here in Las Vegas. We just walked all the way from the Aria, actually. We checked out Caesar's Palace and we walked by Resorts World, and now we are at the Fontainebleau. We just came in through the main entrance where they have that upside down car. We're gonna check out what they got going on here. So the first thing we see when we go in is this feature here that apparently is supposed to mimic the tides all over the world. Look how cool this is. So the next thing we see when we come in here is a massive casino floor, and it's brand new. You can see there's a Saint Laurent coming soon. Not all the stores are opened as yet, but it is new. From the exterior, it doesn't look like much. You know, the heavy theming that some Las Vegas hotels have, it doesn't have that on the outside, but on the inside, it's quite lavish. So far, I quite like the look of it. The design and everything is very beautiful. Smells nice and fresh in here. Here's my daughter running down the middle, very excited. We're just making our way right around the casino floor right now. It looks pretty nice. Obviously, it's brand new, so you would expect no less. Got the cashier over on that side, and that's the direction we're coming from. And I think they have more amenities on the second floor, so we're gonna head up there shortly. This bar here is called the Blue Bar. Check it out. You can see they have all your typical table games here. And they have their own reward program as well called the Fontainebleau Rewards. Heading around here, we have a restaurant called Vida Vida, I believe. It's empty right now. I guess it's not open. Might be a dark day. And right in front of us here, we got Chez Bonbon. Did I pronounce that right, babe? Chez Bonbon? Chez Bonbon. Something like that. Sorry about that, guys. This is what it looks like. They do have their menus on the exterior here, which is pretty cool. And then on this side, there is another art piece. Pretty interesting. It looks like a crushed foil paper that's painted gold or something. Check it out, folks. The ceilings here looks really nice. They have some artwork. This leads out to another exit. This is the exit to the convention center, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this huge piece of art right here. Pretty impressive. We're making our way back to the front where the blue bar is. They have the escalators that go to the second floor where they have a shopping promenade and some other cool stuff. Let's go check that out right now. This here is the high limit slots area. This is my first time in a Fontainebleau property. I know they have one in Miami as well. Even the chandeliers have bow ties on them. That's how deep they go with the theming. And they do have their Christmas tree set up right here. Pretty nice. Let's check out the second level here, guys. Here's what they have on level 2. How are you? The promenade and the theater appears to be on this floor as well. They have a lot of stuff that's not open yet because they're brand new, not even a year old. Put the bow ties on the garbage bins. That's crazy. Here's another bar on the second level, and this is their food court area. They got a taco joint over there called Roadside Taco. They got a pizza restaurant here, Miami Slice Pizza. Nice looking food court here. They got Capone's, which is their burger restaurant. And then they have a breakfast restaurant called Bagel Bagel. Bar Ito looks like a sushi spot. Pretty cool. And then continuing this way, past the food court, we head towards their steakhouse called Poppy Steak, as well as back towards the sportsbook and casino, as you can see here on the sign. The Fontainebleau Theater, where they have their performances, is called the Blue Live Theater, which seems to be closed right now. No performances today. And then there's their steakhouse right here called Poppy Steak. Looks quite exclusive.
Yo, babe.
You like it?
Beautiful.
I know. People say it's soulless because they didn't go ham with the theme. You already know with Vegas. We made it to the conference center area for the Fontainebleau. They also have a terrace here called the Water Blue Terrace. The entrance to the conference center is right here. There's the exit towards the Las Vegas Convention Center. And then right down here is the exit to the garage. This is their gigantic art piece. Let's see if we can access the Water Blue Terrace. I'm not sure if we can. It'll probably be closed, but it does look really nice out there. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is the extent to the Fontainebleau to this direction, towards the convention center direction. We're gonna head back towards the promenade and the casino area. The room to our left here, guys, is the Blue Live Theater. That's Fontainebleau's theater where they have their live performances. I'm sure they're in the process of booking acts right now and shows, so Vegas visitors can come and enjoy. This property looks very nice. It's very modern, well lit. The restrooms are spotless. We love the Fontainebleau logo on all the garbages and chandeliers and so on. Even on this picture here. This is the second floor here at the Fontainebleau, and I'm not sure if we are able to get up to the third floor, but we will try. They even have their logo in the middle of the QR code that you scan to order food. They really went crazy with the logo for the bow tie here. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video on the Fontainebleau. Now, we weren't able to check out our room today because we're not staying here. We stayed at the Aria and that center strip. We walked down here to the Fontainebleau because we wanted to check it out, see what it's like. I think my daughter just pushed her stroller away that way. Okay, so guys, all right, I want to just give you my final thoughts here. So far, so good. My wife and I really like this property, and we would consider staying here, that's for sure. It's a beautiful property. We love the little accents that they put on all the furniture and the walls and so on with the bow tie logo. It's pretty cool, complementing the property, showing that they have a logo that represents Fontainebleau. So they have that everywhere. It's quite something. Obviously, a lot of the stores aren't open yet. It is a new hotel, brand new. It's not even a year old. Those are still waiting to be opened. I see a lot of signs saying they're coming in the winter of 2024 or early 2025. So places like Gucci and so on are still not open. Similar to when we went to the Resorts World, right when they opened, a lot of the stores just weren't ready on the soft opening. So keep that in mind if you come here. I checked the room rates. It's like 200 plus per night on average, not the worst. Obviously, that will depend on the season that you visit Las Vegas in. That could increase significantly or it could decrease depending on when you're coming. Weekends are obviously always much more expensive than in the weekdays, so keep that in mind as well. The first floor has the casino and a beautiful art piece, as well as in the front they have a car standing vertically, which is pretty cool. A lot of cool things in and around the hotel. We showed you the conference center area, the Blue Live Theater. This is the Fontainebleau Las Vegas. They do have a property in Miami as well, so this is their second property. In fact, this property was supposed to be completed years ago, but it got stalled for whatever reasons. So it's great to see that they finished it over 15 years later. Definitely come check it out if you're visiting Las Vegas, even if you're not staying here. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. We do appreciate you watching as usual. Leave a like on the video. It helps me more than you know, helps the channel out and pushes my video further. If you are interested in this type of content, feel free to subscribe to the channel. All right, I have tons of videos like this coming up in 2025 and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out from the beautiful Fontainebleau Las Vegas.